how we can recover the forgotten password on Facebook within some steps. So let's get started. But before that, make sure you hit the like and subscribe option. And here, what you need to do is on the very first step is go to your Facebook Lite application. And here, tap on the profile that you want to log in. But let's say you forgot the password. So what you can do is here, tap on three dots and you can see this login option. Just tap on it and you'll receive a code onto your email address or the phone number that you provided on your Facebook to sign up. So after that, tap on continue. And here you see the text called enter the 6-digit code sent to your email. So what you need to do is type the digit that you received in your email, the six digit code. So enter your code and tap on continue. If you didn't receive a code, just tap on didn't receive a code and they will resend the code on your given email or your phone number and tap on continue. After that, you can create a new password for your account. Just enter a new password, strong and something which you can remember easily as well. Just enter the password and tap on change password. After that, you will successfully reset your password on Facebook Lite very easily. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.